Okay. Yeah, wait for me.
I can't.
Why am I walking backwards? Okay, let's try ride to a new world. Then we can go to a land where we can marry each other.
But we can't. It's still the place.
Still, we need to walk a bit far. And yeah, it's a bit
I can
big.
walk so far.
Okay, let me tell you something. What's 1 plus 1? Keep on walking.
It's 2.
What about 10 times 10?
I have no idea.
It's 100. You will learn when you're older.
Oh, I didn't know that. Please, can we go to another world? We can't even find another world.
Okay, just wait a few seconds. So people, you want to see the next movie? Watch the next movie.